HerzoBase. 8 visionary townhouses were built here. And all of this in association with citizens, researchers, and industrial partners. They have been occupied since the end of 2017. So far, we are very satisfied with our decision and would do the same again. We feel very comfortable here and are also very satisfied with the technology used here. We feel very comfortable in Herzogenaurach. So what particularly interested me was that I could automate the whole house. I'm also one who's interested in the Internet of Things and that devices could just talk to each other, and I found it interesting that I could connect all the systems with each other. But what is visionary about our concepts? And how have our technologies proven themselves so far? A highly insulating thermal facade protects the buildings from extreme temperatures. The bricks we have used are Poroton bricks, and they consist of a brick shell, and the inside is filled with a novel insulating material, namely fumed silica. The result is the brick with the best thermal insulation in the world. From the building shell to the wall paint, only environmentally friendly and pollutant-free materials were used. This means that the houses were built entirely without pollutants, so that even allergy sufferers can live in the buildings. In the meantime, this has also been certified by TÜV. For optimal energy generation, the houses are oriented towards the sun. The building complex can be operated almost energy self-sufficiently. The joint energy supply is provided by 2 geothermal heat pumps, coupled to a geothermal probe field. Firstly, this ensures the heating of the building. And additionally, we can use the geothermal probe field for passive cooling in the summer. Storage units are also integrated into the energy concept. This means that on one hand, we have thermal storage for heating the building, and on the other hand, electrical storage for storing the PV electricity that we generate on the roof. From solar power to the behavior of the residents, all this is bundled by the anticipatory control system. It decides whether energy should be used or stored. The interesting thing about the operational management concept is that we have integrated a model predictive control system into it. For example, we receive a weather forecast and can thus forecast the optimum plant operation. In addition to increasing the energy efficiency of the system's engineering, for the project it is also very important to evaluate the thermal room comfort. For this purpose, we have integrated 2 systems in 4 selected houses. One is ceiling heating and the other is floor heating. Personally, I find very interesting and very pleasant in summer that we can cool the house, and that has worked much better from the ceiling. We tend to prefer floor heating because we find it more pleasant with children when the floor is warm. But it's exciting to try it out and feel the difference directly. In addition to the assessments of the residents, however, data also plays an important forward-looking role. As part of the research project, we have installed a total of 250 sensors, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and heat flow sensors in the walls, and we monitor the temperature behavior of the wall. Optimal interaction of building materials, building technology, energy supply, and data analysis. All this turns the building complex into independent energy storage houses. I think that it is very important to deal with the topic of climate change and energy system transformation and to integrate sustainability into our lives and to do our part to protect our planet. I think that this house is also a small step in this direction because we manage ourselves very self-sufficiently.